Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video we are talking about write and graph inequality. How can we write the inequality? How can we graph it? That's what we will know in this lesson. The first part of the lesson, how can we write the inequality? So in question number 1, you must be over 12 years old to ride a go-kart. To write an inequality, we just let the variable equals to x. Now x must be over. Over it means more than 12. So that's how can we convert from the word problem to an equation. In question number 2, a pony is less than 14.2 hands tall. Now let the pony equals to x. Less than, it means smaller than. Smaller than 14.2. In question number 3, you must be at least. What is the meaning of at least? At least it means more than or equal. Smaller than will not be accepted. I need more than or equal. More than or equal to 16. So x now, which is the variable? At least, which is more than or equal. More than or equal to 16. You will find that the same in question number 4. In question number 4, the movie will not be more than 90 minutes. No more, it's mean less than or equal. So we have at least, which represented more than or equal. No more, it's mean less than or equal. The movie now with the variable will be x or y or a, or choose any letter for the variable. No more, it means less than or equal. Less than or equals to 90. Again in question number 5. The mountain is at least 985 feet. So again we have the word at least. At least it means more than or equal. So now the variable which is x. At least which is more than or equal. 985. In this part of the lesson we'll know how can we graph the inequality using a numbered line. At the first I will start reading from the variable. So if the variable is more than only, so it will be represented by open circle and we shade the part which lies at the right. Because more than, it's going to the right. Now here we have the variable which is x or n or any variable. If that's less than, it will be open circle, but we will shade the part which lies at the left. Now we have another sign of the inequality, which is at least and at most. N is more than or equal. Once you find more than or equal, so the circle now will be closed because the number will be counted, it will be accepted that more than or equal. Equal, it means we will choose this number and going to the right. If n less than or equal, so it will be closed circle, but we will shade the part which lies at the left. So how can we solve? N more than 9, just write 9. Once we have more than only without anything, just we make an open circle above 9. More than, it means it's going to the right. So we'll shade the part which lies at the right. N less than or equals 10. Just write 10. Less than or equal, we said that once we have less than or equal, so it will be closed circle, and because we have less than, it will be shaded to the left. In question number 14, we have a less than 15. Just write 15. Less than, it will be open circle, because we say that one more than or less than, it will be open. Less than, it means we shade the part which lies at the left. B is more than or equal 7. Just we write 7. More than or equal, it will be closed. Because we have more than, it will be shaded to the right. So again one more time. If we have more than or less than, it will be open circle. But if we have more than or equal or less than or equal, it will be closed circle. More than only, we will shade the part which lies at the right. Less than, we will shade to the left. More than or equal, we will shade the part at the right. Less than or equal, we will shade the part which lies at the left. Again, we have here less than or equal 6. Just we write 6. Less than or equal, it's mean closed. Because we have less than, it means we shade the part which lies at the left. B is more than 4. So we just have 4. More than, it means it will be open circle. And because it's more than, we will shade the part which lies at the right. And that's how can we write and graph the inequality.